Welcome guys to my channel, and today we are going to knit this simple stitch that first of all can be used for hats. I like it so much. So you can alternate it with stockinette stitch, or you just use it as it is. For this stitch you need to cast on an odd number of stitches, and I'm using 4mm knitting needles. So cast on an odd number of stitches and let's get started. Slip the first stitch, it's a selvage stitch, then knit the next stitch and slip the next stitch with a yarn in back. And repeat. Knit 1, slip with a yarn in back. Knit 1, slip, next stitch with a yarn in back. Like this you repeat till the end of row. Knit 1, slip. Knit, and the last stitch is a selvage stitch, always purl it. So the first row is done, and the second one, slip the first stitch and knit all stitches till the end of this row. And knit, slip, stitch, and knit the stitch that you were knitting in the first row. And purl the last stitch. Okay, it's done. Row number 3. Slip the first stitch and knit 2. Then slip the next stitch with a yarn in back, knit 1, slip with a yarn in back, knit 1, and like this go on till the end of row. Knit, slip, knit, and at the end knit 2 and purl the selvage stitch. Now you see already how it looks. And the last, the fourth row, knit all stitches till the end of row. That's it. There are only 4 rows in this pattern. Look. Now repeat from the first row where you knit 1 and slip the next stitch with the yarn in back, and you will get this pattern. Beautiful one. I like it so much, and I hope you like it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye.